Coming up in this video is all dedicated to 3 cocktails that you can make with Porter's tropical Old Tom gin from Aberdeen. So if you want to know what sort of fun you can have with this gin, then stay tuned. Hey, Steve the Barman here, and this channel is predominantly all about helping you to drink, enjoy and serve better quality drinks. Primarily focusing on gin and tonic and gin cocktails. But if you like the sound of that, if you like what I'm doing, then I'd really appreciate you hitting that magical subscribe button. Right, let's get into the cocktails. 3 very easy to make, absolutely lovely cocktails. One's fun and fruity, the other 2 rely more on the flavour of the gin. So I'm going to get straight into it. The first cocktail, as I've already mentioned, if you guys have watched me over and over again, you know that I am terrible at naming cocktails. So I default to this one as just a gin and juice. God knows, come up with a name and we'll go from there. We're going to make it in a cocktail shaker. We're going to serve it in this kind of fun tiki kind of glass. You'll see why in a second. I'm going to shake it. So I am going 35ml of Porter's Old Tom gin going in there, 35ml. I'm going to do 25ml of lemon juice. There we go, 20ml actually I've gone in there, 20ml. Sugar, 15ml, half a shot. And in here I've got this pre-mixed. This is just supermarket, each of own, but it's pre-mixed pressed pineapple juice and squeezed grapefruit juice. So I've got them all mixed together there because I was using a bit of it at the weekend. And I'm going 50ml, kind of like a lilt without the fizziness. So we've got pineapple and grapefruit in there. Now I'm just going to ice my glass up, get that all ready to go, and then we're going to ice the cocktail shaker. There we go. Right, give it a very, very quick shake. There you go, nice and shaken, nice and chilled down. Now, before we go there, we're going to go soda because this is topped up with the soda. I finally found a use for these sodas. These are Franklin's and Sons. They've got kind of dual flavoured soda waters. They've got 3 in the range. This one is the pineapple and cardamom with a hint of cracked cubeb pepper. So I'm just going to pop some soda water in the glass, probably about half full. There we go. What we got? About a third of the bottle. That should be perfect. And then just going to strain out the ice from there. Pop that in there. There we go. Pop another ice cube in there. And there we go. Garnish it with a little wedge of pineapple. And that is gin and juice, a fun and fruity kind of gin and juice. Can we see his little face on there? Absolutely lovely. I'm not going to get any straws out with that, but that is amazing. Fun, fruity, it just kind of works the whole tropical vibe going on there. So that's the first one. The second one, this comes from the guys up at Orchid Porters. They told me to check them, or Josh told me to check this one out. This, we're going for a bramble, a tropical bramble on here. So I'm just going to fill that up with crushed ice. Right, so we've got a crushed ice in there. Just going to quickly make and shake this drink again. So for this one, I'm going 50ml of Porter's gin in there. 50ml, 50. I'm going 25ml of lemon juice, so a shot of lemon juice, and then I'm going 15ml of my sugar syrup. So 50 of the gin, 25ml of lemon juice, 15ml of sugar syrup. Just going to very, very quickly give that a shake. Again, hard and fast shake. And then again, just single strain this. Just going to strain that over the top there. There we go. So essentially we're just letting the gin do the work with this one. And then just to finish it off, Bramble style, I've got my Crème de Mure blackberry liqueur. Just going to very carefully drizzle that over there. You'll see it bleed in. Probably just about 15 to 20 mil, I reckon. That's all that's gone in there. I haven't got any, but let's go with a lime. Actually, I would normally garnish this with a blackberry. I haven't got any blackberries, but there we go. So that is the Bramble, the tropical Bramble. Let's just have a little sip of that. Oh, I'll tell you what, that's amazing. Oh, that is absolutely amazing. Wow, that gin just works so well in that cocktail. Really, I could get the fruit, the passion fruit really comes out in that. That's amazing. Love that. Right, the third cocktail. Let's very quickly get into this one. This is kind of a spritz. Spritzes are all the rage at the moment. No need to shake this one at all. If you know what spritz is, kind of think Aprons spritz. So we've got Aprons soda and Prosecco. My version is a blood orange Aprons spritz, so I added a tiny bit of blood orange morning spirit to this one. This one we're going for a tropical spritz. Again, 50 ml of the gin. Just pour that straight in there. Now, to bring it to life a little bit, I've got some vermouth. I was going to say martini then. This is vermouth. This is my Lustau. This is the Blanco one. It's sherry-based vermouth. I'm just going 15 ml in there, and that'll just sort of add and bring out the little bits of flavour, a little bit more of the gin. Really love that. Now, again, I mentioned this in the first cocktail, the pineapple and cardamom from Franklin's & Sons. This one, this is going to be cracking. This is Franklin's & Sons fragrant guava, Persian lime and root ginger. So I am just going, what have I done with measure? I'm just going with 50 ml, 50 ml in there. Now, I have seen these in the UK in Tesco's. I'm not actually sure whether they're anywhere else, but I know you can get these from Tesco's. I'm not even sure they're in the trade yet, to be honest. They might be, I don't know, I haven't really looked. But they are lovely kind of low calorie sodas. And to top that off, I've got half used bottle of Prosecco there. We're just going to top that up, probably sort of about 75 ml by the time we get done in there. Just going to give that a very quick stir. There we go. Not too much. Don't want to get rid of the fizz out of the Prosecco. And I'm just going to garnish that with a passion fruit. And there we go. Let's just have a little sample of that. Oh, wow, that is stunning. Cool. Can have a few of those on a hot day. Anyway, that is my tropical spritz. So 50 ml of gin. You could maybe add a tiny bit of lemon juice in there if you wanted to. I personally don't need it, but a bit of lemon. So 50 ml of the gin, my guava and lime, soda water, Prosecco, and a tiny bit of vermouth. There we go. That's that cocktail. So I've got a spritz, I've got a Bramble, and I've got a kind of a gin and juice, whatever you want to call it. There we go. I hope you enjoyed that. Go and check out the other two videos in this series, the review and the tonics, and we'll see what your favourite is. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite is, what you're going to try, what tonic waters you loved. If you're going to buy this gin, let me know. That's it from me for this one. I'll catch you really soon. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love to know what you thought, so let me know in the comments below. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, then I'd appreciate you hitting that magical subscribe button and subscribing to this channel. And if you want to follow me on a daily basis, then you can find me every day over on Instagram at Steve the Barman. I'd love to hear from you, so make sure you send me a DM to let me know you found me over on YouTube. If you want to watch more of my stuff right now, then hit one of the on-screen links and that will take you to my most recent or most related video. I've been Steve the Barman. I'll catch you next time.